The days of the week in Welsh are pretty cool. If we break them down, we can work out that they mainly relate, in fact, I think they all relate to celestial objects. So we start with Monday, Moon Day, Llun, dydd Llun, from Llun, lunar, Tuesday, which is dydd Mawrth, the day of Mars, Wednesday, dydd Mercher, the day of Mercury, Mercher, and then we've got dydd Iau, which is Jupiter's day. In fact, English Thursday, Thor's day, Thor's planet was Jupiter. So Jupiter's day, dydd Iau. Dydd Gwener, Freya, I believe, is Friday, and her planet was Venus. So Venus in Welsh, Gwener, dydd Gwener. Saturn day, dydd Sadwrn. And then Sunday, we go for dydd Sul. Now, you'd have thought with the sun being Hael, you'd have thought it'd been dydd Hael, but we go for dydd Sul. And I think that relates to the fact that a lot of words went from S to H in Welsh. Things like the River Severn is the River Hafren in Welsh. There's a lot of words that went from S to H into Welsh, but we kept dydd Sul, because why not?